Burger with cheese. Burger with cheese. Burger with cheese. Day 1. Okay. Anong trip natin? How to cook, cut, burger. Ayun, bumaya natin basa. Here. Hello. What's up? Oh, ito lang ano. Ay, kailangan natin ng cookbook. Okay. Uy, putang ina, magulat ako sa'yo. Hey, did you... You must be new guy. Okay, plain hot dog. Coming up. Where's the hot dogs? Hot dogs. Oh. Dito. Uy. Sabog. Tuloy natin yan. Luto. Lit lang mama. Hinggan natin to. Tuin din natin yan. Ay! Sorry. Sunog na. Okay. Uy! Okay, sige. First job lang sa madam eh. Pasensya na kayo ha. Unang saba ko pa lang eh. Okay. Okay, cook. Pasensya na kayo. Natin dyan yung buns. Okay, yan na. Thank you so much. Delicious. You're always welcome, madam. Skip the change. Okay. Trash. Sige. Palag. Sige, palag. Ano? Putangina mo. Sige. Loko-loko ka ha. Sige. Sige. Manakot kayo. Okay. Ano sa'yo, sir? With cheese. Okay. Burger patty. Uy, matutumba lahat. Ayan. Burger. Ay, nalaglag. Sorry. Okay. Tapos kailangan natin ng cheese. Diyos ko naman. Ang gulo naman ng store ko. And then wait lang po. Saan yung kutsilyo? Saksakin kita. Okay. Buns dito ka. Yan. La. Okay. With cheese, diba? Okay. Yan natin. Wala ng ketchup. Pwede na yan. You're the lifesaver. I already like you more than the other guy. Here we go. Okay, thank you. Come again. Okay. Di pa siya loko-loko. Hey sir. Give me a coffee, burger, and hot dog. Both with only ketchup. Burger, coffee, hot dog. Burger, coffee, hot dog. Burger. Okay, wait lang. Oo. Burger. Okay. Burger with ketchup. Pwede na yan. Tapos hotdog. Okay. Chop-chopin. Wacha! Okay. Sorry sir. Bago lang. Okay, naluto na. Lapag muna natin dyan yung hotdog. Ito yung burger mo sir. Wait lang boss yung hotdog ha. Okay. Kaya ang ketchup. Ay, paano i-use? Yun. Ito, kape. Kape. Paano to? Ano to? Coffee cups. Baka ito lalagay. Ayun. Ayun. Tapos. Thanks, man! You're the best! Oh, wait. Wait, nasaan? Uy, di nagbayad yun ah! Hello? One hot dog with lettuce and ketchup. And cold soda, please. Okay! With lettuce. Okay. Di nagbayad yun, par. With lettuce. Tapos, soda daw, soda. Soda mo, boss. Ay, nalaglag, boss. Kunin nyo na lang, boss. Sayang yung soda ko, boss eh. Kawawa sa inyo eh. Okay. Oh. Ketchup is missing. Ba't kinain mo kung ketchup is missing? Dapat binalig mo. Ay. Okay. Boss. Thanks, man. Can I have something? Sure. What happened? Anyway, God. Oh. Yeah. No. Sige. Sige. Kutsiluhin ko kayo. Sige. Ano? Yeah. Kutsiluhin kita. Something to pull in pain. Burger. One. 5, di ba? 2. Ano ka ng beer? Mamamatay ka niyan, maaga. Hop. Sige. Okay. Day 2 na, day 2. Day 2. Hop. Okay. Okay. Si Coco Martin bumili. Hindi ka nagbayad nga pala. Oo nga pala. Ay, tinatakot niya ako. Sige. Ulat naman ako dito, boss. Uy, hindi ko magets yun. Lettuce master. Tuna, ano naman to? Cheese. Cheese, lettuce, and ketchup. Cheese. Lettuce. Tama ako, no? Ito. Okay. Thanks! Smells like a good burger. Hop. Sige. Patayin ko kayo. Okay. Yeah. Beer and hot dog with mustard and ketchup, please. Beer. Hot dog. Whew. Okay. Diyan ka lang, boss. Okay. Luto na to. Mustard. And ketchup. Ano ba yan? Okay. About the guy died in the car crash yesterday. I heard always found alcohol in this. Uy! Yung bumili kahapon! Yung limang beer. Namatay. Hop. Yeah. Sige lang. Punta kayo. Sige. Okay. Pipili. Okay. Ito na. Okay. Hop, hop, hop. Hopya. Sige. Baka pag ginawa kong kutsilyo. 1 burger with cheese and cold beer. Okay. Tapos ano ba yan? Burger with cheese. Burger. Hop. Burger. With cheese and cold beer. Okay na yun. Okay. Ito na. Wait lang. With cheese pala. Walang bawang ketchup. Okay. Safe trip. Yee. Oh, no, no, no. Nope. Ano mo? Uy! Nabangga! Baka lahat na nadidisgrasya tas bumibili dito. Mga bumibili tas nadidisgrasya sila. Hotdog with ketchup. Right away. Right away. Copy ba? Copy. Ito na. Kopya. Dito na. La 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 la. Normal days. Yun lang ah. Soda and burger with everything. Burger with everything? Paano yun? Wala na akong lettuce. Washa! Okay na. May cheese pa pala. Cheese. Pwede na yan. Soda. Hop. Okay, thank you. Sumusunod daw sa kanya. Sleep with your eye open. Hop. Sige. Sige. Hey man. One hot dog with lettuce and mustard. One hot dog. With lettuce and mustard. Burger buns. Lettuce and mustard, no? Ano yung coffee? Coffee? Two coffee? Two coffee, sir? Two coffee? Okay. Or, you know, butterfly drink one. Thank you! Up, up, up. Sige. Saksakin ko kayo. Sige. Sige lang. Yan na naman kayo ha. Sige. Putang ina mo. Putang ina mo. Putang ina nun. Saan yung kutsilyo ko? Putang ina, wala na akong panchap-chap. Ayun, marami pa naman dun. Wala. Kaopya. Yee. Two hot dog with lettuce and mustard. Two hot dog with lettuce and mustard. Two hot dog. Na isa. Okay, cook na din to. Hot dog, lettuce and mustard. Lettuce and mustard. Oh, din download. Okay. Okay. Isa pa, isa pa. Lettuce and mustard. Wala silang TV. Okay. Body was it. Part. He was left. Ito na naman. Ito na naman tayo eh. Ito na naman tayo. Okay. Okay. Hindi ko alam eh. Mauubos yung kutsilyo ko dito eh. So, si Rizal. Ibili. Burger with cheese. Burger with cheese. Burger with cheese. Putang ina mo. Cremation. Ang sakit. Okay. Lagay na natin dyan. Burger with cheese. Ito na, putang ina mo. Beer, beer, beer. Beer. Okay. Cheers, pare. Tambay. Kutsilyo ko. Ako na, hindi na ako sigurado dyan. Regalo. Ba? Bomba yun ah.